Today we are going to talk about transforming your finances in just 6 months in this step-by-step guide. What if 6 months from now, your money wasn't stressing you out, but it was actually working for you? No more wondering if you'll make it to payday. No more overdraft alerts or avoiding your bank app. Just peace of mind, clear progress, and a plan that actually works. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step method to completely transform your finances in just 6 months, even if you're starting from zero. This guide is designed to be simple, realistic, and motivating. This video is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a licensed professional before making financial decisions. Alright guys, in this presentation, I'm going to walk you through a real step-by-step plan that can help you take control of your money, no matter where you're starting from. It doesn't matter if things feel tight right now or you're just trying to finally get organized. If you follow the steps in here, you'll be able to go from constantly stressing about money to feeling solid, confident, and in control, all in about 6 months. Step 1. Track every dollar. The first step is awareness. You can't change what you don't understand. So for the next 30 days, track every dollar you spend. Yes, every single one. You can use free tools like Mint, Every Dollar, or even just a notebook and pen. Don't worry about judging your spending. The goal here is clarity. You'll start to see patterns and leaks, little costs that add up fast. That daily $7 coffee, random Amazon buys, or food delivery fees, they reveal where your money is silently slipping away. This step gives you control. It puts the spotlight on your habits so you can start making better decisions. Step 2. Create a bare-bones budget. Next, create what's called a bare-bones budget. This is your survival mode, the absolute minimum you need to live. List your must-haves: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and minimum payments on debts. Now, subtract that number from your income. The difference is your financial gap, the space you can use to make progress. This step is powerful because it shows you what's essential and what's optional. It clears away the noise so you can focus on what matters. Step 3. Cut deep for 90 days. This is the cleanse phase. For the next 90 days, cut deep. Eliminate unnecessary spending wherever possible. Cancel unused subscriptions. Cook at home instead of eating out. Buy secondhand. Pause luxury expenses and entertainment splurges. This isn't about deprivation forever. It's a short, focused sprint to reset your finances. Use the money you free up to build your emergency fund, catch up on bills, or pay off high-interest debt. This is how you break out of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Step 4. Automate your comeback. Now that you've cleared space in your budget, it's time to build smart systems. Start automating your money. Set up automatic transfers to savings, even if it's just $10 a week. Automate your bills to avoid late fees and missed payments. The less you leave to chance or memory, the more consistent and stress-free your money becomes. Automation builds habits for you, without requiring constant willpower. Step 5. Boost income. Finally, let's talk about earning more. Start a small side hustle. Sell stuff you don't use. Try freelancing, gig apps, or tutoring. Even bringing in an extra $200 to $300 a month can speed up your progress and reduce financial stress. Use that money intentionally to pay off debt, build savings, or invest in something meaningful. You don't have to hustle forever. This is a temporary boost to shift momentum in your favor. Here's your 6-month plan. Here's your roadmap. Month 1, track your spending and build awareness. Months 2 and 3, cut deep and create financial breathing room. Months 4 and 5, automate your bills and savings to simplify and foster healthy spending habits. Month 6, boost your income and lock in your progress. This is how you go from chaos to clarity, from stress to structure. You don't need perfection, you just need progress. And that progress starts with one smart step. Tap in to stay engaged with us. If this helped, can I ask you to please subscribe and turn on your notifications? This will help us to continue helping you. In the description, there's also a link to a few additional resources. Lastly, comment below. Tell me the hardest part of budgeting for you right now. Let's keep you motivated about your money and build your financial confidence, one step at a time.